Let's take a look at the Scorch Marker 1mm hard tip. This Scorch Marker was created to have a hard, small tip for intricate designs. Let me show you how well it works. It really is a game changer. Check this out. We're gonna set the cap aside and we're gonna grab one of our sour wood slices. And we are going to go real slow and we're gonna draw one, just so I can show you how skinny this gets. Right here, we're gonna go nice and slow so that you can see just how the detail comes out of this marker. And then right down here, we're gonna draw the word tip. This is really exciting. For the first time ever, we're able to get nice, fine, intricate lines with our Scorch Marker. Let's burn it and see how it looks. Wow, that's awesome. Not only is the activation temperature lower, but we're able to get much more intricate designs, and it's not gonna bleed when you draw on face grain. Huge improvements from the Scorch Marker team here. We're really excited to make this available for you. We cannot wait to see what you create.